Want to unlock a never-ending stream of unique and imaginative art using the power of AI? Then buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to create Midjourney prompts from ChatGPT using Python, automating your creative process. First, you'll need to set up your environment. This includes having Python installed, along with the OpenAI Python library for interacting with ChatGPT, and access to the Midjourney bot, typically through Discord. Next, you'll write a Python script that uses the OpenAI API to send prompts to ChatGPT. Your prompts to ChatGPT should instruct it to generate creative and detailed prompts suitable for Midjourney. For example, you can ask it to generate surreal landscape descriptions with unusual color palettes. Experiment with your prompts to ChatGPT. The more specific and creative your instructions to ChatGPT are, the better the Midjourney prompts will be. Try things like specifying art styles, moods, or even referencing specific artists. Now, you'll use the script to generate multiple Midjourney prompts in a loop automatically, saving time and effort. Once you've generated your prompts, feed them into Midjourney. You can either manually copy and paste them into Discord, or, for an even more advanced approach, automate this process as well using a Discord API library. That's it. You've now automated the creation of Midjourney prompts with ChatGPT and Python. Experiment with different prompts and parameters to unlock endless possibilities and generate truly unique art. Happy creating! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered tutorials.